Hello people, and long time no see. This is, I guess, another episode of Random Rambling, and sorry I have to scare you with my half-naked face. Trust me, this is not my full naked face. It'd be much scarier if I do that, but that's not what we're gonna talk about today. And you know how serious the issue kinda is if I choose to record to something AM without a shit ton of makeup on. Actually, I don't know what to do about the situation, so I'll just be honest. And you may or may not have noticed I haven't been uploading videos like for quite a long time. I guess it's about like 2 or 3 weeks from now by now. Well, it's not because I don't have anything like prepared or under preparation. In fact, I'm still editing How to Cantonese video just to show I'm not shitting you guys. You see, this is my face with makeup on, yay. Video reception. I was editing and I don't know, it's just like it doesn't feel right. It is just not good enough to put on the channel for you guys to watch, so I may have to, in fact I guess I have to prepare a new one. Another reason is I'm kind of going through some sort of like personal / family stuff here that I'd rather stay like private, because this is the internet and yeah, it's a scary place. I don't know how to put it. It's been kind of stressful. Yeah, I even made an Instagram story being all emotional. I don't know. Yeah, I was being emotional. So yeah, another thing is, if you somehow care enough to be curious about me, more about me, I don't know. Yeah. And go check out my Instagram. This is a very bad timing to do a self-promotion of social media, but you get the idea. So yeah, if you care enough to know like if I'm dead or not, if I'm still alive, you can go check out my Instagram, because making an Instagram story is easier, much easier than making a video. So yeah, I don't want to just like keep procrastinating and stay silent on the channel. So I guess I'll just make a video telling you guys, yeah, being all cliche about, a YouTuber making a video telling people that they have to delay an upload of another video. Does that mean I'm one step closer to becoming a legit YouTuber? Yeah, I have to apologize for this. I'm really sorry about this. Things have just been a bit crazy by now. Like, yeah, I know, like about half a year ago, when I still could maintain a somewhat legit schedule, the part-time job came in and I kind of felt to get back on my feet again in terms of uploading. And now something happened like in my personal life, and I don't know, like I try to, because other than making videos I also draw pictures and stuff. Amateur, I know, I don't do it professionally. Well, anyway, point is, I try to like multitask with jobs and family and stuff like that, and apparently I am failing miserably, and I don't know what to say. I just don't know who to turn to. in fact. That's why I am making a video in the middle of the night. But I'm not gonna cry on camera. Yeah, it is still kind of weird for me to think about when you cry on camera and then edit the video, still keep the footage of you crying and make it upload it on YouTube, showing people you cry. See, I start rambling because I don't know what to say and I just want to talk. And I prefer to talk to camera than a real person. Let's just hope things will get better in the future. And I just don't feel the strength to like pull myself back up and put everything back on track right now. But I'll try. I guess I'll keep updating my sorry life on Instagram. And I guess this has been the update of my life. Yeah, stuff happening and why is this what people call a burnout? I don't feel like I have the energy or the patience to power through. So I guess that's it for the update. Sorry for bothering you with my 12-year-old boy face, and thank you so much for understanding. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the support. I know many of you are very supportive, and that's why I feel very sorry for not being able to meet you guys. I don't even know if you guys have any expectations for me, because I'm just a random person making crappy videos about a language that I use every day on the internet. So yeah, and hopefully I'll see you very soon in the next video with a less scary face. Thank you and bye.